show you how to make this beautiful circle wood sign. Alright, so I got the circle wood from Etsy. I just searched pre-cut circle woods, and I really like how cute it is, so I wanted to make a cute little sign. So I got this stain originally from Walmart, and I didn't like how watery it looked, so I just decided not to use it. It just was too light, too watery. So I went to Michael's and I got this wood stain, which was walnut stain for wood. And I really liked how dark it looked and just the color overall. You'll see once I apply it. You just have to apply a thick coat and just get it in there, rub it all over, back and front, and you'll see how it looks. So now I'm just kind of like aligning my stencil and my flowers. I just want to see exactly what I want to do here. Just testing it out. And now I grabbed some painter's tape, and I'm just trying to figure out how I want to design it, how I want to paint it, just anywhere I want to align it so I can paint it and divide the paints into sections. And if you're wondering where I got my stencil, I just made it with my Cricut machine. Give this video a thumbs up and a like if you want, and comment down below if you want to learn how to make your own stencils. I can show you that. I can give you a tutorial. But I did it on my Cricut machine, and I just did it on vinyl that I don't really use, and I cut it out, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how exactly how I apply the vinyl to the wood. So I'm going to paint the edges black, and then I'm going to paint the middle white, and you'll see as I go on. So after I'm done painting, I just apply just 2 coats, and then eventually I take off. I also do the sides just to make it look, neat. Once it dries, then I peel off the tape, and then I would start doing the other section of the white part, as you see here. And I did buy my paint at Walmart. It was $2. It is chalk paint. I feel like chalk paint dries up faster versus the other acrylic paints that you get at Walmart or Michael's or Joann's. So I'm just going to do this. The white paint, I had to do it about 3 times so it didn't seep through. But yeah, you'll see. super excited on how this turned out. I'm just showing you some mistakes that I made. I didn't put down the tape down correctly, but you know, I'm gonna go over that later and fix it. It's very small, minor. Now I'm just applying my stencil to see where exactly I want everything. I just used the vinyl transfer tape to apply it to my wood. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that if you don't want to do this part, you can always just use actual vinyl and apply it to the wood. And that would look beautiful as well. You don't have to do the stencil. But I'm just showing you pretty much how I do it. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I just wanted to explain that I did use Mod Podge on my stencil just because it doesn't let it seep through, like the paint won't seep through it won't bleed. So I just wanted to explain that I did use Mod Podge before I apply the paint. Now I'm using this kind of hook for my wood board because my circle board is not heavy at all, so I can get away with that. I did buy this ribbon at Hobby Lobby. It was $10. It was a value pack. And I just made my own kind of bow. You could play around with it and make your own bow. Also, if you are using a heavy board, you can always use a D-hook and apply a ribbon around the D-hook to hold it over if you're planning to put this outside. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.